we're giving away 2 sampler packs. Pack 1 contains sirens and horns, while Pack 2 contains laser sound effects. Each pack contains more than 10 sound effects. To access the effects, the first thing you need to do is write down the code for the pack you want to download. You will use this code as the password for the effects. As an example, let's try downloading the Siren and Horn sound pack. What you need to do is go to our website, link in the description. Once there, click on the download button for the Siren and Horn effects pack. When asked for the password, type the code for that sound effect. If you wrote the code correctly, you should land on this page. Now just scroll down and hit on proceed. You will be redirected to our cloud storage where you can choose to listen to the effects. And also be able to download them by simply clicking on the download icon or option. The codes for the effects can be found in the description. Give us a like if you found the video helpful and remember to subscribe for more DJ videos like this. Check out our other DJ sound effect packs.